Hello everyone. So I guess all of you have given your paper very well. Yesterday was May 24th and that was the day of UPSC CSA Prelims examination. And many of the students are saying that the paper was quite difficult. So what I have to tell you that if you're writing as a student that who are just preparing for 1 year, then it looks to you difficult only. But if you are preparing for more than 1 year or 2 years per se, then the paper is moderate only. I've already created one video that who should be attempting and who should be happy and who should not be sad. And if you are having 2 years of preparation, then what are your chances? Already I have created a video on that. Okay, way back, I guess May 20, something like that. So on the basis of that, if you have seen, okay, whatever I've said, that all have come true in the May 24th, yesterday's examination. And today we are discussing about a topic which has already been asked in the UPSC Prelims 2026. There was a question on UPI or not, Unified Payment Interface. Okay, Unified Payment Interface. Remember this point, this is an interface. This is my face, this is a mobile face. Okay, this is an interface. Okay, Unified. Unified means any merchant you can able to pay. You can pay to Amazon, you can pay to Flipkart, you can do that you can do the payments in hospitals, you can do the payments in the businesses, on the street vendors. Okay, you can transfer to your own bank account, transfer to some other bank account. So it is a unified, means one UPI is enough, means the UPI ID you are having, which is also having the phone number also, that is enough to do the payments across any sector, across any individual, and also you can do international also. Okay, why I am saying international, I'll come to that particular point, because India has given the UPI technology to more 8 countries. So your GPay will also run in Nepal. One of the vlog I was watching, and that vlog she was saying that I just opened my GPay and I was able to do the transactions in Nepal. I don't have to take a separate bank account there. I don't have to exchange the currency there. You just have to enable the settings to the international. If the country allows it, then you can able to pay it. So UPI question was there in UPSC 2026 prelims, that is the yesterday's paper. And today you are having a news on the same topic, UPI, that Maldives, you can say, Maldives president decide to introduce UPI, India's UPI. So this is the President Muizzu of Maldives, and you are having here Prime Minister Modi ji. And yesterday, what was the question in the UPSC, UPI related? Today we have the same news also. So you can see that Prime Minister Modi ji and whenever the President of Maldives, Muizzu, met, they decided to introduce India's Unified Payments Interface. UPI has been extended to Maldives, to Nepal, to France also, I guess, to Indonesia also, I guess. So there are 8 countries where you have extended a UPI, and that happened from 2024 to 2025. Like that, every 2-3 months, one more country has been given what? UPI infrastructure. That is the reason whole 1 year we have given the UPI technology to many countries. That is the reason that has appeared in the examination. So whatever was current affair, that has been come in the examination for sure. Okay, the President Office announced that decision was already taken on the recommendation of the cabinet. Okay, so the moment, because Maldives is one of the very important tourist destination for the India. Indians basically prefer to go to the Maldives a lot. Okay, Maldives is just here, remember this point. Okay, this is India, here you are having what? Andaman, this Andaman here, Lakshadweep. Just below Lakshadweep you are having what? Maldives. If you consider this Africa, and if you're talking about any island here, this island is called as what? Madagascar. This is Madagascar. This is not Maldives. Maldives is just below Lakshadweep, and it is a very favorite destination, a tourist destination for the Indians. Okay, so if our UPI is working in Maldives, how better it will be easy for us whenever you go to the Maldives, eat in any restaurant, just pay and go, right or wrong? Yes. All of these, remember one point. So let us understand the definition as given in the government website only. What it is, what is the meaning of Unified Payment Interface? You can see here. It is a system, very important. Please make sure that you are underlining what I am saying. It is a system that powers multiple bank accounts. Obviously, in your GPay, you can add Axis Bank, you can add Kotak Bank, you can add many bank, but the UPI ID will be only one or not? Yes. So, is a system that powers multiple bank accounts into a single mobile application. So, GPay is your mobile application, PhonePe is your mobile application. In that application, you will put multiple accounts. Okay, so that merging several banking features. So if you are, what do you do in the bank? Okay, basically you deposit. Basically, with the help of banks, you try to give to somebody else, you pay to somebody else, right or wrong? And whatever you can do on the e-commerce also, okay, on Amazon, Flipkart, whenever you are buying something, then again, the bank will provide you debit card details, the bank will provide you internet banking. All of these you can able to do from the GPay and PhonePe or not? Yes. So GPay and PhonePe basically have lot of banking features that will help to seamless fund routing. Easily you can pay merchants to the businesses, you can easily pay in one hood. It also caters to peer-to-peer to collect requests which can be scheduled and paid as per the requirement and convenience. Very, very important. Okay. So if you have to give me money, but the date is coming, you have to pay me on 30th of May and the date is coming, but you are unaware of, to make a reminder, I can request 30,000 rupees on 30th May. Then you will realize that, okay, I have to pay EMI. So that kind of facilities are also there. Auto debit facilities are also there. NASH facilities are also there in the UPI. And the most important that they may ask in the examination, that it has been developed by very, very important point here, NPCI. Developed by NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India. They conducted a pilot launch with 21 banks, and that was done in the year 2016 by Dr. Raghuram Rajan. At that time, he was the RBI governor. Remember this point, RBI is located at Mumbai. Okay, and banks have started using UPI-enabled apps, okay, uploading the UPI-enabled apps on the Google Play Store from 25th August 2016. So almost 10 years of UPI we have completed, which is a very big fintech technology, okay, solutions, right? Now, again, a very important discussion that I am going to do today. Okay, that may be very, very important for the mains examination, upcoming UPSC mains examination. How the digital, okay, infrastructure, digital India infrastructure is, okay, seamlessly elaborating in our country. Digital public infrastructure, what does it mean? DPI. Okay, digital public infrastructure. Here public means us, our details, whether they are financial details, nothing but our bank account details, our Aadhaar card, these details, our academics, our memos, educational qualification, these details. We do have a driving license or not, that details. PAN card details. So, public related whatever the information is there, which is very important for the businesses, which is very important for the banks, which is very important for the government. All such information, because in public, digital public infrastructure, they will not ask you whether you are divorced or not, whether you are suffering from a disease or not. So what kind of infrastructure will be there in the public, digital public infrastructure means our bank accounts. Okay, why? Because government need to give you subsidy, government need to give you any scholarship, means government should verify you. Okay, then verification, if all of your data is there at one place, the verification will be very easy. And the speedy disbursement of the money will happen or not? Yes. Right or wrong? So digital public infrastructure, this kind of information will be there. Okay, wherever we are storing it, that is called as what? That storage devices, that particular computers, etc. We call them as what? Infrastructure. All our digital, all our data has been digitally placed in these computers. Okay, that's why we call it as what? Digital public infrastructure. So they may ask you in the examination that list out the various e-governance initiative also, you can say. E-governance is one of the important area of our governance paper in GS paper 2. We also have, instead of e-governance, we are today M-governance also we are doing, right or wrong? Yes. So Aadhaar, okay, biometric based digital identity platform. Okay, this Aadhaar, please see the heading here, brief details of key digital public infrastructure. So what do we have in the digital public infrastructure? Government will take what? Aadhaar, UPI government will know. CoWIN is nothing but the digital platform with regard to vaccination services. Okay, so they are asking that to submit, the moment you will tell your name, your mobile number, automatically you have taken the COVID shot or not, they will be knowing, to avoid what contamination. So CoWIN was also there. API Setu, platforms that enable secure and standardized sharing of government data and services through APIs. Okay, digital locker, a digital document that allows citizens to store, access and share their authentic electronic record. Arogya Setu, a digital health application providing risk assessment, health advisories and access to health related services. Government e-market is something very similar for buying of procurements of goods and services by the government entities. Just like I want a table chair for my home, obviously a government office also wants some stationeries, also want pen, pencil. No, for them, we are having government e-market. In government e-market, the website will be there, the government authorities, the government departments and the institutions and the companies will put the order. And that particular whoever are selling, no, the government will not allow everyone there. Government will allow the MSMEs more over there and the women-related entrepreneurs. Umang, a unified mobile and web platform providing single window access to wide range of government services. Just type www.umang.com. Whatever the services are there, if you want to pay, you pay and take the services. Diksha, a national digital platform supporting teachers and learners. You will get all e-content, you will be trained and you are getting what? Lot of academic resources publication. E-Sanjeevani, a telemedicine platform enabling door-to-patient consultation. Okay, means your door, you are sitting, I am here in Hyderabad, you are in Nizamabad, I can give you what? Teleconsultation, whatever your problems are there, you can share with me, and that is how we are able to cover the rural and undeserved areas which are not having very high quality expert doctors are not there. Who are in the urban area, they can easily connect to the people who are in the rural and undeserved areas with the help of E-Sanjeevani. Then we are having e-hospital, a hospital management system providing complete online registration, appointment, diagnostic and billing services. Just like I have sons where we go to the Rainbow Hospital more. So everything, the moment we want a registration online, the moment we want any document or any X-ray, we will take that will be uploaded online. So every government hospital services will be given into a digitized way to you. Then e-office, a digital platform for paperless governance enabling electronic file management. Okay, means government to government, whenever they are working, so they have to use very less and less paper. I have to also tell you that the Sikkim High Court is the first paperless judiciary in our country. Okay, Honorable CGI has announced it. Okay, the state is right or wrong, please write in the comment section. Okay. E-courts, a mission what I know very well, because being an advocate, I know that many of the whether you want a case status information, okay, whether you want to see FIR, whether you want to see your cause list, whether you want to see that which different courts that are there, okay, across the particular city, which complex, etc. E-courts have n number of court fees, okay, judgments, etc. Portion Tracker, a mobile-based application for the real-time monitoring of nutrition service given to the children who are in the ICDS, Integrated Child Development Scheme, which was launched in the year 1982. Then we also have National Non-Communicable Diseases Platform is there. Non-communicable means cancer is non-communicable. Okay, migraine is non-communicable. Tuberculosis is communicable. So we are tracking that people of India, how many are there, and the people of India are having what? Non-communicable diseases. Skill India Digital Hub, a unified digital platform integrating skilling, training, employment related services. Public finance management system is also there. End-to-end monitoring of government, okay, funds and direct benefit transfer into the accounts of the beneficiaries. PM Gati Shakti. Okay, geographical information system based digital platform for integrating planning and coordinating implementation of infrastructure projects. Okay, with the help of PM Gati Shakti is a multimodal transportation system. Like in Banjara Hills, you are having subways are being constructed, flyovers are not possible. So like that, flyovers, if you want to put means the KBR National Park will be hurt, their biodiversity will be hurt. So that is the reason this particular GI system will help government to understand that which areas they can have which mode of transportation. So with regard to today, we have learned that what is a UPI, okay, how it, the concept behind the UPI, to how many countries it has been introduced, and we have also seen what actually the umbrella topic of this UPI, it is digital public infrastructure. So if you get any question with regard to digital public infrastructure, the initiatives taken by the government of India with regard to e-commerce or m-commerce, all of this you have to write very beautifully placed. I hope this is all clear to you. June 11th is the date where we are starting UPSC Prelims and Mains batch for 2026 to 2027. Okay, for more details, call to the number given below.